Hello everyone, Pacer Rail Fanning here. We got a Canadian National train coming here at the Emmons Blvd Railroad Crossing here in Wyandotte, Michigan, guys. It's heading towards Mill Street.
Wait, what's next out there on this boulevard down here?
That's St. John down there.
St. John, thanks. That's where we filmed it.
Yep. Yeah, it's coming to Emmons Boulevard, guys. It's heading southbound. So, here it comes, guys!
Yep, it's coming. Alright.
Here, the Emmons Boulevard signal should go off, guys. Sorry about the sun, guys. The signal should go off any moment now.
It's got an agency 5-4.
Yeah, it's coming. It's coming to Emmons. The signal should go off any second now, guys.
Yep, it's supposed to do it as well. It's gonna be loud too.
Here it comes to Emmons!
Here we go.
It should set the Emmons Boulevard signals off.
Mill Street's, it's crossing Mill Street right down there.
Yep. It's gonna go off. Here it comes! Here it comes, guys! Alright, guys. Here it comes to Emmons Boulevard, guys. Here comes the CN train at Emmons Boulevard, guys. Here it comes, guys. Here it comes the CN. 3166, guys. Here it comes. You can see the LEDs are flashing. The Rico LED gate lights. The train's going to St. John. Holy cow, this is a very long CN train, guys. This is a very long train. Sorry about the sun glare, guys. Great. This is a very long freight train. There's another CN engine on that train, so helping drive the train down the track. Never seen that before. Yeah, the train's right down there, guys. I can see, yeah, the train. There it is, right there, guys. All right, guys, the CN train just slapped the tracks, guys. Get. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for watching Pacer Rail Fanning here. Hope stay tuned for the next train video, so stay tuned.